the Supreme Court decision that was made, I think in the 80s, that said educational services are to be offered to all children regardless of their status. Is there any chance that could get overturned? There seems to be a whole lot of court decisions that are just coincidentally going with the big trends of the day. Could this be one of them?
There's no indication of that. The administration has not made any indication of that. There's no, cases pending. So there, of course, they have revoked in-state tuition at Texas universities for students who don't have legal status, but every child in the United States has a right to a free education, which for obvious reasons serves everyone. And I, at this point, don't have any concerns about that going away.
All right, Kate Lincoln-Goldfinch, when we talk about what was life like before that Supreme Court decision, was it a patchwork of different policies that were state to state, or if we went back in time, what would that look like?
That's worthy of study, and I'm curious about that as well. I'm going to go back. It was before my time, so I didn't live it. I don't know, but it was a state level. There were different states offering education to different students, and it's probably a lot like what it looks like in other countries, where students, families that can afford to pay to send their kids to school do, and the ones who can't don't educate their children, and you end up with this real division in classes and sort of a permanent subclass of people who can't get ahead. And so there was some of that, I'm sure, happening in the United States. And public education in the United States is all about opportunity for every child. That is what our country is about. And so it makes complete sense that we would offer a free education to every child, regardless of their status.
All right, Kate Lincoln-Goldfinch, good chat. I appreciate your expertise in immigration on this. You can find her at Lincoln-Goldfinch Law, lincolngoldfinch.com. Thank you very much, Kate.